that's Mallory back there. She will be my assistant. And the two of us are going to take you into Bigfoot territory. Now, you'll notice we have a sign up here that says hiking trail, caution Bigfoot sightings. Well, about 10 years ago, Bigfoot was sighted right in this area. And just as soon as Bigfoot appeared, he was gone. Nobody saw him again for a long time, for 10 years. Well, just last May, just a few months back, the campground was open and one of our customers was walking his dog out on the trail. And we were up in the office, and lo and behold, that customer and his dog came huffing and puffing and running back to the office, and he was scared to death. And he said while he was out on this trail, he saw a large mass, dark, large, creature-like being off in the distance. He didn't know what it was. It scared him to death. He didn't want to stick around to find out anymore. So he just hightailed it back to the office to report to us. That's why we put this tape up here.
Oh God, it's him.
This.
Oh my God. No, oh my God, no. Oh, that's
Now this is the area, the open meadow. Are you sure?
I saw him!
Well, I didn't see him, everybody.
He went back that way! He went back that way!
So
On the trail.
let's continue on. Oh, I didn't see him. Did any of you guys see him?
I did! He was right there! Right there! He's running
Looks like my dad. Dad?
I don't see him.
There's more orange tape. He saw us and then he just started running. He was right there.
Everybody squeeze in, because I see something kind of interesting up on that branch. It's right here.
Whoa. It's his fur.
It's so, I have no idea what animal that fur belongs to. It's
Bigfoot! Bigfoot!
I didn't see that. Everybody.
What?
Listen. I didn't really see much of anything. You guys have better eyes than
I see him!
Let's be and tiptoe along. Let's be real quiet now so he doesn't hear us.
That looks like my mom's hair. I see him again.
Okay, you guys, come on. Come on, I think this is enough.
Wait, is he real?
Yeah, Ema.
I'm just running. I don't want
anybody to get hurt. Let's move back. Quickly.
Why did I hear that? I heard it.
Listen, he could be hurt. He's right up there, so let's hurry up.
No, I heard growling over there.
Come on, everybody. Walk quickly. Come on. Hurry. Move along.
Seven.
Come on, anybody to get left behind.
That's not scary.
Oh, I thought it was.
We're safe.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Do any of you see him?
No.
We heard him. He was up that way.
Mom, you're fine. Keep going. Dad.
I can't run that fast. I may have a heart attack.
Okay, please walking behind you.
Hurry. We all gotta get back to safety. If we get back up to campground, we'll be safe. Oh! Oh no!
There's no kids behind there.
Let's go! You see him?
Oh yeah, he's falling back.
Oh! There he is! He's still back there! God, he's coming! He's coming! He is? He's behind us? Not again!
Yeah, he's behind the little kid. He's behind the little kid.
He's coming! He's coming! I wish I could run faster. You guys are so much fun.
No way! I don't think I've ran that much in my life. Oh my god!
This dog is going to be surprised.
Oh my god, I want to see him!
You want petting?
What?
Petting this?
There he is. I can't stand it. Too much for my heart.
Go! He's going back in! I want to see him again! Go! Let me see him. It's just a kind of
Come back again. Get over here. This is
Go get him.
We need some supper tonight.
You're the meanest. You go back home. You leave on his way.
again.
Yeah, you look like it too.
You look like monsters!
You look like
You kicked off my leg!